Production. Can you come move this back so the people can see that I got feet? I already look like I don't got no neck. Hello, Amor Tribe, and welcome to another video. Or if you are new, hey girl, come on in because this is gonna be a summer favorites haul, as you can see from the title. Now, before we get into it, you already know we have to do our homework, okay, and our housekeeping. Really quick. Thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed, who have been commenting, liking, and sharing this video. You know I love you. You know I'm going to tell you that every time until you just get sick of me saying it. I love you. Now, if you have not already, please, it's free. It don't cost nothing. Can you please hit the subscribe button? Make sure that you put your notifications on so that way you know exactly when I'm about to launch another video. Because, hey, we on our way. We started at the bottom, but, hey, we're going all the way up. Now, this is going to be a video that includes some of my summer favorites. If we were picnicking and barbecuing and doing the things that we're supposed to be doing during the summer. With everything that's been going on, we're quarantining, we're not quarantining. I see my neighbors. I don't want to tell on them. They probably don't watch my videos. But I seen them having a party last week. I'm not going to get into that. I don't judge. So if you want to wear some of these summer favorites at the house or at the park at the barbecue, it's up to you. But at least you'll be cute and you'll have something to wear. So let's get into it. If you can see, this is going to be our theme today. Now these earrings I got from TJ Maxx. Okay. I have them cherries and oranges, and these just happen to be the strawberries. This headband, I have a yellow one that I'm going to be wearing in my girl talk this week. So if you haven't already seen that video, click somewhere. Anyway, but this one came from Rebdolls, and so did the yellow one. Now, speaking of Rebdolls, I'm going to back up so you guys can see, so we can get right into my first outfit. We're going to dance all the way back. Let's dance. Let's not do too much. Okay, so can y'all see? Production got this camera set up too close. Production! Can you come move this back so the people can see that I got feet? I already look like I don't got no neck. Okay, anyway, you guys, this is a two-piece set.
Move it back?
Yes, can you move it back, please?
Yeah.
And I tell you what, not, okay, this way. I'm not editing this out. This is just gonna be live. Okay.
That's good production right there.
No, that's bad production.
All right.
Thank you. Okay, y'all, this suit came from Rebdolls. It's a two-piece. It's very, very stretchy, as you can see, and it's got polka dots. I wore it with my red. You can wear it whatever you want. I believe that this skirt is supposed to be shorter. You can't see, but it comes all the way down to the floor, like to my ankles. Hold on, let me see. Good help is so hard to find, but okay. Y'all see now how long it is? And it has pockets. I love things with pockets, y'all. But anyway, very stretchy, very cute, right? Two-piece. This is what we'll be wearing to the picnic or the barbecue if we weren't quarantining. I don't know what we're doing, y'all, but even if you want to wear it around the house, I think it's adorable. Okay, so that's number one of our pick. You know what? You better not be out there trying to tell me that I look like a picnic table, because I don't appreciate that. Okay? That's not cute. But if you want to wear this at the picnic table, this is the right outfit to wear. Okay, anyway, I'll be right back. We got some more. You better come back. Don't be fast forwarding either. I see you. I see you. Hello, my lovelies. We're back with, I don't like saying number 2. Because no, not number 2. Look number 2 with another look by production. Okay. So this top is Dia & Co. I got it in a style box. So next month, listen, 2 times now, I have filmed an unboxing video of Dia & Company, and something has happened to the footage. So next month's style box, no matter good or bad, no matter come what may, we will be doing a video on Dia & Company. But this shirt is from Dia & Company, as well as this, the bottoms. I believe it's either a 28 or a 4X. And my shoes are old school, just red bow flats that I absolutely love and obsessed with, and that I wear with everything. I always find an excuse to put red in it. I don't know why, but I do. But this is the top. It's not blue and white, it's black and white stripes, right? And then in the back, you know, I don't like showing you my back because I feel like I ain't got no ass, but I'm gonna do it anyway. But this is a little hide and seek peek. Hello, hello. See, something simple. You going to the picnic, you going to the barbecue, you running to the grocery store. It's summertime. You don't want to do too much. This is our casual look. Number 2, this time, Dia & Company. This shirt, y'all, I wish, just like I wish there was smell-o-vision, I wish there was touch-vision, where you could see how comfortable. And like this shirt is one of those shirts that just, it's fitting so that way it doesn't look like a tent, but it makes you feel so comfortable. I could do anything. I mean, the Macarena, you know, if I had to twerk in this shirt, I could do it because it's so comfortable. Shout out to Dia & Company. If you guys, okay, I'm not gonna tell y'all this time. That's gonna be one of our next videos. Dia & Company. Don't let me forget, okay? So listen, nautical colors. Yes, I'm wearing polka dots with stripes. I threw the red in there. I'm telling you, we're gonna bring all these looks together. They at the picnic, we at the barbecue, we quarantining, we at the house. I mean, ow, toe touch. You weren't even ready for that, was you? Okay, we're going to the next one. Be right back. Okay, babies, I'm back. I'm sorry that it took so long, but y'all don't really know how long it took because this is not live. But anyway, let me just go ahead and tell you something because I got to keep it real with y'all. I've been living a lie. So I just put this shirt on, right? And look what I did with my nails. I was pulling it over because it wasn't all the way on my shoulder, and I made a hole in it. Anyway, so really quick, I have on some jeans, and I'm so excited to show them to you because they were the most comfortable pair of jeans I've ever worn in my entire life. Now, I'm a big fan of Torrid's bombshell jean. I love it. I know it's $100 million, but they are my favorite pair of jeans. I have them in 3 different washes. A dark wash, I think a medium, and then like a light blue wash. So, which is like a vintage wash, right? These are from Dia & Co. Don't be sleeping on Dia & Co., okay? And they're Morgan and Walker jeans. Listen, I didn't need a production assistant. I got these on almost by myself. So, I want to show them to you. They're so cute. This top was new until I put the hole in it, which is my fault, okay? I shouldn't have been pulling and tugging and pulling and tugging and yanking and tugging and pulling, okay? But this top is from Torrid, right? Get into it. It's a foxy cami with the lace. I have this, of course, in 50 different colors. Y'all already know. But let's get into these jeans. Morgan and Walker by Dia & Co., right? Dia & Co., Morgan and Walker. Get into these jeans. This was in my style box this month, right? You're not ready? You want to see? Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Real pockets. They got some distressed. And if they not distressed because my ass is big, they distressed because they came that way. Right? And again, my same bow flats. We trying to be comfortable. Right? Oh, this belt. Y'all see my belt? Don't act like you don't see my belt. This belt is from Torrid too. Got the bling bling. Let me shimmy over. See? Okay. I love these jeans, y'all. They're so comfortable. Can you see them? I love these jeans. Okay, so if we're not trying to show the belt, because I'm trying to show the belt, but if we not, they're still very cute. Wait, hold on, wait. Y'all remember that? Back in the day? Trying to twerk for y'all. You like them? Okay, so Torrid top, Torrid belt, old school bow flats, Rebdolls, TJ Maxx, and Dia and Company on these jeans. I love them. Okay. We're about to get into the next one. Okay? Be right back. Y'all still there? Okay, thank y'all for making it this far. We on our last piece, but don't you fast forward and don't you leave. So, this shirt, I love shirts like this, okay? This shirt is from Torrid. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. Now, if you're not as wide across the top as me, I'm pretty sure this will be more off the shoulder than it is. Right? But this is the perfect material, lightweight, summer material, right? For this time of the year, where we should be doing barbecues and picnics. I'm really bitter about that, okay? As you can tell. And then let's get into the bottoms. We'll back it on up. You know, in my thought days, I would just wear this as a top, like as a dress, with no bottoms. In my thought days, like last year. Anyway. Okay, so here's the pants. They're too long. These pants are actually stretchy, very stretchy, with pockets, and they're like a denim patchwork type of pants, right? It's not going in the wind. Okay, I'm through. Listen, I love y'all. This is our summertime haul, try on, lookbook, just to give you some ideas if you're my size and you were to go outside. I'm not judging what you could or would wear, even if you were in the house, right? So listen, I love y'all. I'm so proud of y'all. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it to the end, guess what? It's June. Do you remember what I told you was happening in June? Do you? What we doing in June? Giveaway. So, I think for this giveaway that I'm going to be doing, I think we're going to start it next week. And I don't know what we should have you guys do, but if you made it to this far, tell me in the comments, what would you like to be gifted? And what should I make you do to participate in the giveaway? Okay? So, like, comment, subscribe. Comment about giveaway. What do you want? And what do you want to have to do to participate in the giveaway? Okay? I love you guys. Remember, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? I want to know. Mwah. Bye. See y'all later. I'm out. Production.
Hit it.
I'm by myself.